Does YouTube TV offer a 30-day free trial? Yes, but only during select promotional periods. The 30-day trial is not always available, which makes it one of YouTube TV's most valuable limited-time offers. When active, it unlocks the entire service for a full month without paying a single dollar upfront. To check your eligibility, open a browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into a Google account that has never subscribed to YouTube TV before. If the 30-day promotion is available in your region, you'll see a banner on the home page saying, "Try 30 days free." Click it, confirm your home ZIP code, and follow the on-screen steps to activate your trial. During those 30 days, you get complete access to YouTube TV's base plan, over 100 live channels, local networks, unlimited DVR, 3 simultaneous streams, and on-demand content. You can record every show, binge your favorite series, and test the streaming quality on all your devices. Just remember, once your trial ends, YouTube TV automatically switches to the paid monthly plan unless you cancel before the renewal date. To avoid charges, go to Settings, Membership, cancel at any time during the trial. A 30-day free trial is the best way to explore everything YouTube TV offers, at zero risk.